This is our antigen kit. Number one is illustrating the types of swabs. The swab is indifferent, but we want to make sure that it has some kind of tip. Even if you don't have one, you can use a Q-tip. Simply want to get a pathogen. Number two is indicating the buffer system. There's different samples, but in this particular case, you got 3 different images. So your first one would be a full bottle. When we ask you to take it off with the white cap, we're trying to get to this point. And if we ask you to take off the purple part, that's to take off just the purple, which would have the feature for squeezing the droplets out. And then this would be how it comes. So when we ask you to initially take the white cap off, it should look like this. Put it back on, take the purple cap off, and then you'll be ready to go ahead and put your sample into the disc. Your disc would come sealed. It needs to be sealed, and it also needs to be EUA approved. What you will do is once you get the adequate antigen and you have stirred it up, then you'll go ahead and put the cap on, and then you're gonna wanna have it with the purple cap off so that you can drop 3 drops in here to the S, which stands for sample. You would drop 3 drops in there, set it back down, put the cap on it, and wait approximately 2 minutes. And just for displays, this is a normal test. You have a control line, which is normal. That lets you know that the test works. And if you don't have a second line here on the T, you are not positive, you are negative.